everybody. I hope you guys are doing fantastic today. I look like a hot mess, so I apologize for that. But I didn't this morning, and I was going to film explaining that I was going out this morning and I was going shopping, and my bus got here early and it caught me off guard, so that didn't happen. So I do want to start this video by saying hello, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, share and like and comment. I love it all and I appreciate it all. And anyhow, got up this morning and went to my favorite store in the whole wide world, and that is Gabriel's. It is known as Gabe's. When I was a kid, it was called Gabriel Brothers, and it has changed its name over a small course of time here recently to Gabe's. Anyhow, it is a huge store. They get name brand stuff, and the thing that has always been is that everything in the store is a third of what you would get at a regular store. So when I go, I feel like if you really pay attention, you can do really well when you shop there. I always seem to get really fantastic bargains, and I always find unique items that I don't see in other places. So I do love to shop Gabe's. I don't go often because I will buy everything that I see. That's a deal, because once you go into Gabe's, if you see something that you do like, you have to grab it because it will be gone. And it happens just like that. So when I find things, I always buy them. So, I'll go like every other month or something like that and see what they have. My mom goes to Gabe's probably once or twice a week. And if she brings me all kinds of things from Gabriel's because she knows what I like. So her and I are both the same. Do you know that I shopped from 20 after 9 till 11:40 today? That is how long I shopped. I shopped a good while. But anyways, I just took a few clips, just kind of showing you guys just a little bit of what they have, kind of how it's laid out. It looks like a giant Walmart store, if you will. I mean, it's that big. A lot of clothes. They have misses, juniors. They have a lot of stuff. They kind of do cater for the university here in this town. They have, I'm going to tell you guys a secret, they have wedding dresses and prom gowns, and they come from David's Bridal, and some of them today was beautiful. And I mean, I thought if I had a daughter, I would help myself to them dresses because they were beautiful. They were like literally $19.99. And they were stunning. They had these pink sequin gowns, and like they had the sequin band that goes around your waist and kind of tapers you in and makes you look thin. And oh goodness, they were just beautiful. They had a lot of beautiful stuff today. But anyhow, I don't have a reason for a prom gown. But I did shop the store. They have a lot of shoes. And right now they're in transition of getting rid of their summer and moving into fall. So you're going to see some of the fall decor that they have on display. And I wanted it all, but I did not buy any fall decor today. I contained myself and did not get any fall decor. However, I did want to look at the clothes because my hubby and I, God willing, we are going to go on a little vacation, and I kind of wanted to pick up a couple new items for our trip. I also thought him and I have some nice things planned futurely, and I just thought I would give a look and see what I could find. Sorry about the bug glasses. I feel like because these are so strong, they really project my eyes as being huge, but what you're seeing is a reflection of the lighting over there in my dining room, and that's what's on there. So I apologize for the way that looks. But anyhow, yes, so I'm going to put the clip in right here, and then I'll be back after you see it, and I will share with you what I bought today at Gabe's. I am going to show you guys what I bought from Gabe's today, and I think that my finds were really good. So we'll start with the shoes here. I thought they were really pretty. They have a cute little heel on them, and they're very comfortable. They have a very padded like insole, and they're also wide because I have a very wide foot, but yet they're very dressy, and I needed a new pair of shoes that were dressy because I have black ones and I have nude colored heels. I have wore them completely out, and I told Ronnie, I said, they're about 5 years old and they are pretty much used down to nothing, and so I needed a new pair. So I justified it getting those. And then I bought this blouse for my trip. It's really thin. It's flowy. It's longer in the back than it is in the front, so it kind of hides, you know, the areas you like to hide. It has this button feature on the front, but it does actually unbutton. And then it has little pockets on both sides and sort of a rounded neckline with no color. It's really pretty. I love the black and white. Then I got Ronnie these cargo shorts. It is very hard to find things for him, but I found these really nice cargo shorts, and they have the pockets on the sides, which he'll love. And then it comes with this really pretty belt, which I don't think he'll even wear with him. But
I ate enough of this watermelon, baby. That might not be an issue.
he's eating a ton of watermelon right now. His dad brought us a great big ginormous watermelon yesterday, and I got it cut up and put in the fridge, and it's nice and cold. So then I scored these really pretty suede boots that are studded, and I looked these boots up online, and they are $129 on the Lane Bryant site, and I paid $12.99. So I don't think I did too bad. Do you, honey?
Honey, I think you've done very well.
These,
you couldn't have done no better.
I'm telling you, when I seen these, I was like, they are a must-have. Then well, this is
you don't see that every day.
No, that's not a deal that you find every day. So then I found this, and no, I did not buy this stuff because of the brands on them. When I got home, when I go to Gabe's, I like to look it up and see what the original price actually is and what I paid. So this is a Kindle Kylie bag. As you can see there's the name. And it's really cute. It's a backpack purse. And I'm going to take this on our trip. I think it's really pretty. Notice the black and white theme. It's one thing, I don't know why I'm totally into it, but I am. I bought this for $19. It retails for $89.99 online. Really good deal. And then I found this tub. We have a clawfoot. I don't know. Is that what it's called, honey? A clawfoot tub?
It's a claw. It's like one of the historical tubs.
He calls it historical,
It
like a
was
Victorian
It
bathtub.
was put in here in 1906 when the house was built. So
Yeah, it was.
can you imagine how old that is?
It's really old, but it is so nice. Anyways, I've been looking for one of these to put across it for our soap and everything, so it just hooks to the sides of the bathtub and goes straight across, and you can put whatever you want inside of here. They had a wooden one, and it was kind of fancy, but wood and water to me just don't mix. And I thought this could be bleached and easily cleaned, and that's why I went with the plastic one. And that's all I bought. I did buy a bag of chips, which we got into today, which was not really anything fancy, but that's all I bought, and I just wanted to share with you guys my finds. I got home and I made my husband and I some fantastic burgers. They were made with onions and peppers, and I topped them with Swiss cheese, and it's just like Fat Patty's. It's a burger place here locally. They make a fantastic, what do they call it? Mushroom Swiss burger. My favorite. It's on bread, not a bun. I love it. I love it. Anyways, I think I got it. I think I made the Duke for it because my burger was superb. And so we ate that. We had chips and pickles. We went very, very easy for supper tonight. And then afterwards, I got right into it and started cleaning. And I just cleaned up everything. And I also ground the coffee for this week. And so because I get so lazy and I dip into our K-cups a lot, because I don't want to grind the coffee, but I don't want to buy coffee either. So I ground the coffee for the week, and so that is done. It's one of those tedious, slightly messy chores that I don't really care to do, but I got in there today and I did it. And now I'm sitting here and I'm drinking me a cold iced tea, and it is about 9 o'clock at night, and I'm getting ready to head to bed. So thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you guys enjoyed. And I'm so glad that you guys watched, and I have so appreciated the comments and the positivity and the thumbs up. Be sure to hit that like button, guys. Be sure to subscribe if you are new. There's going to be a lot of content coming your way, and I'm going to take you guys along on our journey, on our trip that we're going on, and I think you're really going to enjoy. So at least it's the plan. It's the plan. So I hope you guys enjoyed. And I'll be seeing you all again soon. I got to get up early tomorrow, catch a bus, because I'm going to Aldi tomorrow. So there'll be an Aldi haul for you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.